How amazing is this wig, y'all? So curly and perfect,
but
girl, it did not start off like this. Trust me. This is the wig straight out the box, but after adding some water, some shampoo, and deep conditioning, a little TLC, it immediately came to life. I had to show you the real deal, but we'll talk about it more, so stay tuned to this video. Hello everyone, it's Yolanda Renee, and today I'm coming to you guys with a wig video finally. Remember I told y'all that was going to be my next video? Well, I went into I don't know. I don't want to say I'm depressed, but y'all, I be going through it. Whenever I give any of me, I then have to hibernate or something. I don't know. It's the weirdest thing. But I was like, today, I got to get out of this. So I forced myself to film today. And the crazy thing is once I start filming, I just feel so much better. I feel more alive. So it's kind of like this trickery that goes on in my brain. But I think I have it under control. I just have to just push through. And that's advice for you guys as well. Whenever you feel like you can't do something, just do it, because you can do it. And once you get started, you're going to feel amazing. And it's going to motivate you to keep going, because this is a good feeling. You get what I'm saying? You guys know I have a million curly wig videos. And it's because even though I don't wear my natural hair, I do genuinely like getting curly wigs or kinky wigs, you know? So this one is more curly, not so much kinky, but it's definitely more kinky than my longer curly wig, you know, the Barbados wig that I always wear. So this one is more kinky than that one, and of course shorter. So yeah, so I had to add this one to my collection. I didn't do anything to this wig, y'all. I did nothing except wash and deep condition it, just like I always say. Even though I'm really into wigs, I still want to be able to get a wig and not put that much effort into it, especially again because of the price, right? This wig is by My First Wig. In every video, I basically just put on the wig, but in this video, I wanted to focus on the bald cap method, because I never have done it before. So this really is not a tutorial. I'm kind of just winging it. In your My First Wig box, when you purchase a wig from them, of course you have the little card that tells you about your wig, and the wig that I'm wearing is so cute, isn't it? Name of this wig, I'm pretty sure they're gonna change it to my name. And the texture is silky, however it is curly. So to me, I don't understand why they always say silky for curly hair, but yeah. This one is 14 inches long. The hair color is natural hair color, and I did not dye this. This is just a really dark brown, almost natural black. The cap size is 1. My cap construction is lace front wig. Is this a lace front? I feel like this is a full lace. Oh no, it is track in the back. So it's just the lace in the front, which the lace looks amazing. I didn't even have to camouflage it that much. I actually can see scalp. I mean, you probably can't because I'm so far away from the camera, but it's really nice. And the lace color is medium brown. Your wig comes in this little travel case thing. Oh, it did come. This one actually has a brown wig cap in there. I should use this one. But yeah, so you can get a different color wig cap. Mine is a nude color. I have them at home, so I just used it. There's an afro pick in here with a little fist on there, everything. And you also have a wig kit in here. Let's see what's in here. I actually never even look at all this extra stuff, but I figured show it to you guys. Alright, so you get some bobby pins, a little rat tail comb, which you definitely will need. I didn't even use these. They have the little banana clips in there, which I should have used. When I was putting on the wig to pull this hair back, I should have used those. There's an elastic band. There's an instruction pamphlet in here. So yeah, you get your little wig kit with your wig or whatever. It is very helpful. All of these things Like, even though I didn't use all of them, I wish I had them. Like, seriously. Anyway, if you are interested in seeing how I laid this beautiful curly wig, then stay tuned. Keep on watching. Oh my god, you talk so much. It's like 5 minutes into the video and we're just getting started. But anyway, step one, we're going to put on this wig cap. And next we're going to be using this Got to Be glued glue to put on our fake hairline, because we're going to make this go a little bit forward. You don't want to, you know, mess with your edges or anything, so just make it go up a little bit more than usual. Then you're going to use a cool setting to dry this glue down. If your ears are a problem as far as making sure the wig cap lays flat, make sure you like cut a little hole and pop your ears through. This will make sure that you get it as flat as possible, because you basically want to look bald-headed. And I got this technique from YouTube. I'll put the YouTuber's name on the screen. She's actually from my area and I just figured that out. So hey girl. The purpose of the glue on the wig cap is because we need this to stay in place before we cut off the excess. So make sure it's dry and in place. You can also use this freeze spray to make sure it stays in place as well. And again, you have to make sure it's dry before you start cutting, or this cap will just like fall off your head. You know how pantyhose are. You know how getting runs in your pantyhose is. It literally just dissolves. It's the weirdest thing. So that's why we're putting so much glue and spray. And also this glue and spray is going to help lay down our wig. So after you cut off the excess, you want to go ahead and make sure that all those loose ends are really flat. And again, make sure it's dry and sticky, because we want our wig to lay properly. So yes, step 6, I'm finally putting on this wig. And don't laugh, because I'm going to look a little bit crazy at first. We still have some trickery to do, even though I don't go ham. Like, I'm not a professional like these wig slayers are. I'm just a beginner, and that's all I need. I just need this to look right, okay? At this point, you'll notice the rat tail comb comes in handy, because it will help you lay down the lace and not necessarily the individual strands. You don't want the strands to be stuck to the glue. You just want the lace to be stuck and, you know, camouflaged. And now we're going to be styling our hair. I decided to do a half up, half down type of style. And I pulled down some baby hairs in the front, because, you know, where I'm putting my hair up, I want the baby hairs to make this look as natural as possible. Also, definitely use water while you're styling. This will help you basically get the hairs to go in the direction you want them to go in. As far as styling products for this wig, of course, I washed and deep conditioned this hair, and when I rinsed out the conditioner, you know, I left a little bit in there just so it could define the curls. So all I'm using right now is just water to revamp these curls. But if you wanted to like add some product, I would suggest using like a leave-in conditioner or a mousse. So right now I'm cutting those baby hairs, because of course we can't keep them that long. And I'm going to be using Cream of Nature's Perfect Edges to lay my baby hairs. Now this baby hair situation is tough. I did not even keep that much footage of it, because y'all, I was struggling. But basically you're just making these little swoops, and it takes a lot of time to do it. I only made like 3 swoops and it took me forever. So once you have them how you want them, use some freeze spray to make sure they stay in place and then dry it. And then you want to put on some type of scarf to make sure they stay where they are. Like, it takes a lot to get your hairline to look at least a little bit natural. Like, even when I'm done, it don't look 100% natural, but it looks good, girl. So now that I'm waiting for those edges to lay and stay in place, I decided to go back through and kind of do some finger coils to make sure that most of the hair that's like outlining my face are super defined. And also I tried to make this hair go back a little bit just so it could show the hairline off a little bit to make it look, you know, like I said, as natural as possible. And I didn't really need to do this part, but I decided to just use the excess concealer that was on my makeup brush to, you know, kind of like make my scalp area pop a little bit more. But I didn't even have to do that. The lace looked really, really good. You could see like my imitation scalp. Also, after you take off the little scarf, you may notice that, you know, the glue or the hairspray left like some white residue. These products are water soluble. How do you say that word? Anyway, you know what I meant. So you can just use water and it'll take off the excess glue. We're pretty much done here. I'm just going to be, you know, messing with my bun a little bit to make it look not perfect. I wanted it to be kind of messy, so that's why I'm like, you know, fluffing it a little bit. But yeah, we're pretty much done. Isn't this super cute? Like, oh my god, like I'm so proud of myself. And if you guys are looking for a curly wig, I highly suggest this wig. The length is perfect, the curls are amazing, and you have an option to make this look more kinky. You can throw it out. It's just everything. Make sure you save my coupon code whether you go shopping today, tomorrow, next week, next month, whenever. Just make sure you save my coupon code. Not only does it save you tons of money, but it also helps me continue to work with this brand. And I rarely like promote coupon codes because I don't want to be annoying, but girl, it's saving you money. Like it's helping all of us out. It's helping the brand, it's helping me, it's helping you. Let's just use these codes, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching.